Hello friends, day 42 and I've reached Hawes, and I had a pretty tough day today. It was over 22 miles. I underestimated the distance to Hawes. My enthusiasm outweighed my ability to read the scale on the map. But I got here and struggled to find accommodation, but I managed to find a room at the YHA. I had some spectacular views during the day, although Pen-y-ghent was shrouded in mist and there was an icy cold wind, as you'll see and hear on some of the clips. But Pen-y-ghent was pretty impressive, and then of course the Ribblehead viaduct as well, which I passed later in the day. But some more stunning views all the way along the Pennine Way. See you on the trail. I've left the wind noise on here just so you can hear how windy it was on top of Pen-y-ghent.